Imagine a world where a handful of people hold the keys to unimaginable wealth. A world where billions of dollars are moving silently, digitally, without anyone noticing, except those who know the secret. This is the hidden world of crypto. Welcome to the billionaire crypto mystery. The ultra-wealthy have always had one thing in common. They see opportunities where others see chaos. Stocks, too slow. Real estate, too predictable. Crypto, wild, volatile, dangerous, and full of possibilities. For most people, it's a gamble. For billionaires, it's strategy. Some bought Bitcoin when it was worth pennies. Others quietly acquired Ethereum during its ICO, unseen by the public eye. Winklevoss twins, Michael Saylor, Elon Musk. Each approached crypto differently, but each understood one truth. The future of wealth is digital. Why do they invest? Because crypto represents freedom. Freedom from centralized banks. Freedom from government interference. Freedom from limits on money creation. In crypto, billionaires see not just profit, but influence. The ability to shape markets, to predict trends, to be ahead of everyone else. Billionaires approach crypto like chess masters. They calculate every move. Risk is not fear, it's opportunity. They buy when the masses panic. They sell when emotions run high, and they protect their wealth like treasures hidden in digital vaults, secured by cold wallets, private keys, and encrypted accounts that no one else can touch. Early adopters saw what others didn't. Bitcoin at 0.003 per coin, Ethereum at 0.30. Some invested millions, some only thousands, but their patience turned tiny stakes into fortunes larger than entire countries' GDPs. But the story is not just about money. It's about secrecy. Many billionaire holdings are undisclosed, invisible to the public. Some coins aren't on exchanges at all. Some wallets hold tens of thousands of Bitcoin that may never move again. These are not just investments. They are statements of power, privacy, and strategy. When billionaires move, markets follow. Tesla's Bitcoin purchase, Coinbase's IPO, venture capital flowing into crypto startups. These are not random events. They are strategic moves designed to grow influence, liquidity, and long-term power. And yet there's controversy. Crypto markets have been manipulated, regulations challenged, fortunes lost overnight. Some billionaire moves are deliberate shocks, testing markets, shaking out weak hands, and building wealth in secrecy. It's a world of shadow and light, profit and risk, strategy and speculation. Looking forward, the future is even stranger. DeFi, NFTs, AI-driven crypto, metaverse tokens. Billionaires are not just investing. They are shaping entire digital economies. While the average investor sees volatility, the wealthy see patterns, leverage, and opportunities no one else understands. For the rest of us, there are lessons hidden in the shadows. Patience, research, diversification, long-term vision. Crypto is more than money. It's a test of knowledge, intuition, and courage. The rich play differently. They see what others ignore. They take risks most won't. And they profit not just from coins, but from the psychology of markets, the power of technology, and the chaos of human emotion. Some bought Bitcoin before breakfast, some Ethereum over a lunch meeting, some entire portfolios in whispers and secret deals. And while the world watched memes, volatility, and headlines, the ultra-wealthy quietly multiplied their fortunes. Crypto is not for everyone. It's volatile, it's risky. But for billionaires, it's the ultimate expression of strategy, foresight, and control. While the masses follow trends, they create them. While the world panics, they strategize. While others wait, they act. If you're finding this fascinating, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. You don't want to miss what comes next. The lesson is clear. Wealth is not about luck. It's about vision, discipline, and courage. Observe, learn, act. Study patterns, understand markets, and respect the technology. Crypto is not just an investment, it's the future, and the billionaires are already there. But let's go deeper. Let us talk about the hidden strategies billionaires use that most people don't even know exist. Some use cold wallets, offline storage that cannot be hacked. Others use private transactions, moving millions quietly between wallets to avoid influencing the market. Many diversify not just in crypto, but in digital assets that the public never hears about. Some even invest in crypto infrastructure, blockchain companies, exchanges, and DeFi projects to influence the market from the inside. The wealthiest know that crypto is not just about coins, it's about control, timing, and leverage. They know which coins are undervalued, which projects have potential, and which trends the average investor misses. They position themselves to profit from volatility rather than fear it. And here's a secret. The moves they make today could shape the global economy tomorrow. This is not speculation, it's strategy. Some of the wealthiest crypto investors quietly hold millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins that they will never sell. They understand scarcity, supply, and the psychological power of money in the digital age. Each transaction is calculated, each movement deliberate. When the markets crash, they buy. When headlines panic, they strategize. When regulations are threatened, they adapt. The average person sees chaos. The billionaire sees opportunity. The future is coming fast. AI-powered crypto trading, metaverse tokens, DeFi yield farming, cross-chain arbitrage. Billionaires are already in these spaces, positioning themselves for exponential growth. The digital economy is the new frontier, and the ultra-wealthy are leading the charge. If you're learning something new right now, do not forget to subscribe for more content like this. Your journey into understanding wealth and crypto is just beginning. The ultimate lesson? It's not the coins themselves, it's the strategy behind them. Patience, secrecy, knowledge, and vision. These are the tools billionaires use to turn volatile, unpredictable crypto markets into a playground for building unimaginable wealth. Some of the earliest Bitcoin holders are now billionaires multiple times over, yet their identities remain hidden. Some Ether investors quietly moved into DeFi projects, quietly amassing assets most people have never heard of. Every move is strategic, every investment calculated, every opportunity exploited. Crypto teaches a harsh lesson. Volatility kills the unprepared. But for the wealthy, volatility is an ally. It's a tool to accumulate, leverage, and multiply wealth while others panic. The question is, will you watch from the sidelines or will you learn to see what the ultra-wealthy see? Will you wait for trends or will you understand the strategy behind the moves? The billionaire approach is clear. Think long-term, act strategically, and embrace calculated risk. It's a world where patience is profit and insight is power. Make sure you subscribe for more content like this, because the next wave of crypto could change everything, and you'll want to be ready. The story of billionaire crypto investing is far from over. Every day, billions move silently, fortunes are quietly built, and the future of wealth is rewritten. This is a world of strategy, secrecy, and opportunity, and it's only visible to those who look beyond the headlines, beyond the hype, and into the moves of the ultra-wealthy. Remember, crypto is not just money, it's a test of courage, knowledge, and foresight. Study it, respect it, and maybe one day you too can understand the strategies that build fortunes beyond imagination. The secret of billionaire crypto investing is not just buying coins, it's patience, secrecy, calculation, and courage. See patterns in the chaos, opportunities in the volatility, and strategy in every market move. The world may panic, but the wealthy profit silently. Will you watch or will you act? Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and join the journey to uncover the secrets of wealth, crypto, and strategy.